If you are wondering if there is a dedicated macro mode available on the Nothing Phone 3a Pro, then the answer is yes. In order to find it, of course, we need to open the camera, and then we're gonna swipe to the right over here in different modes in order to choose macro. Over here in the top right corner, we can also press this icon, this eye, in order to find the information about this mode. It uses telephoto lens to capture better details and enhance background blur, which is suitable for close-up shots of plants, flower, insects, and similar objects. And we are recommended to keep the distance of around 15 centimeters from the subject for the best results. So of course, we can keep the distance. We are even asked to move further away if we are not far away enough. And we can also see the difference of the focus. So if you keep the distance, you should be able to capture a beautiful photo. Of course, in addition to that, we can simply use a regular normal photo mode. In this case, we can try to zoom in as much as possible until we lose the quality. Let's try to get the focus, and we can try to zoom in. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!